Why does my phone say downloads pending in Play Store? Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you that how you can fix the error of download pending on your Play Store. So guys, to solve this problem, what you have to do is you have to go to the setting on your Android phone, and then you have to find out the option application manager, or you may get the option application manager, application management, app management, or you may find out app manager or installed app. So in every devices there is a different name, but the system is same. Okay, so you have to find out application manager. In my phone I can see app management. You just click over there, and then what you have to do is you have to find out Google Play Store on the application manager. So now I'll find out Google Play Store. As you can see, I just find out Google Play Store here. You just click over there, and then what you have to do is you have to go to this storage usage, and then you have to clear cache. Okay, you just click over there, clear cache, and then what you have to do is click on the clear data. Okay, once you clear all the data, you just go back, and then you just have a check whether it is working or not. So I'll install the Flipkart application here. So as you can see, it is started downloading. So guys, this is how you can solve and fix download pending on your Android phone. Thank you so much for watching.